Open Chrome browser and search Windows 10 ISO image download. Navigate three-dot icon and select. Go to More Tools, select Developers Tool. Again navigate three-dot icon, select More Tools, then select Network Conditions. Untick Use Browser Default. Now select Chrome OS. Now refresh the page. Select Windows 10 Multi-Edition ISO, then click on Confirm button. Now select your product language and click on Confirm button. Download the Windows file, depends on your processor, support 32-bit or 64-bit.
That's it, your Windows 10 ISO file now downloading just in 2 minutes. Now move forward to how to create bootable USB drive. Open browser and search Rufus for Windows. Select top search result. Scroll the page down and select Rufus 4.2p.exe. Now file downloading automatically. Open the downloaded file. Insert blank USB to the PC, otherwise all data in the USB will formatted. Click on Select to load the ISO file. Select the partition scheme GPT for latest UEFI and MBR for old BIOS. Remaining fields are default, don't change any value. Click on Start button to begin burn process. It will take 10 to 15 minutes to complete the process. Please subscribe to my channel and support our good and hard work. That's it, now created a bootable USB for install Windows on your device. If any clarification, feel free to drop your comments. Thanks for watching the video, see you in next video, stay tuned for more updates.